Welcome back to the Study Prep, guys. Csec, everyone. It is nice to be back with you. I have recently changed my logo, so I just wanted to get that out of the way. Anyways, guys, we will be starting the human and social biology, all terms and concepts. Csec, this will be a very short course of a lot of videos, which will be approximately around 50 videos, which will be very short videos that deals with all concepts and terms for Csec, human and social biology. These classes will be usually between 2 to 3 minutes. They will be very short. With that said, let's actually start this paper. Let's actually start the concepts now. So first of all, our agenda within these classes will consist mainly of section 1, section 2, and section 3, which will deal with individual aspects of the entire human and social biology syllabus. So let's look at the introductory concept. We'll start off with the first concept, which is the cell. The cell is the basic unit of all living organisms. It is one of the smallest units of all living organisms. So if we look at the characteristics of cells, there are different parts such as the cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria, and the endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, vacuole cell wall, and chloroplast. Now let's take a look at all of these different parts. The cell membranes controls what substances enter and leave the cell, meaning that they control what enter, what goes in, and what goes out of the cell. The cytoplasm supports the organelles, the site of many chemical reactions. The cytoplasm is where chemical reactions take place within the cell. We have the nucleus, which controls the characteristics and function of the cell, essential for liver division. The mitochondrion, which is the powerhouse in most cases, this is where respiration occurs. The endoplasmic reticulum transports substances throughout the cell. The ribosome, this is where proteins are produced in the plant cell. The vacuole stores food. Cell wall supports and protects the plant cells and gives it a basic definitive shape. And the chloroplast is where photosynthesis occurs. So let's look at cell specialization. You guys could see that on the screen. The human body is composed of trillions of cells. These cells are of different groups, which create specialization, such as the epithelial, sperm or the spermatozoa, the egg, the nerve cells, and the muscle. All of these are created through specialization. So let's look at visual representation of these types of cells. This is section 2, which looks at the actual visual representations of these cells. So the types of cell specialization as seen on the screen, they all have different parts. You guys could take the video and look at the different parts. With that said, this is the final section of this is the questions for the viewers. The questions are on the screen. You guys could actually type your messages in the comments, or you can actually DM me personally for more information. With that said, thank you guys. Subscribe to the Study Prep Guys channel.